and let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Once Command Prompt opens, type the following command, sfc/scano. Press Enter. Let this scan run completely. While the scan is running, you can minimize Command Prompt and move on to the next step. Now open the Start menu again and type Check for Updates. Click on it. Once you're on the Windows Update screen, click Check for Updates. Make sure your system installs all available updates. Keeping Windows fully updated is very important to prevent blue screen errors. Go back to Command Prompt and wait until the SFC scan finishes. Now type the following command, chkdsk/f/r. Press Enter. If Windows asks to schedule the scan, type Y and press Enter again. Next, type this command, dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter. Allow this scan to complete fully. This process repairs deeper system image corruption. Now restart your PC. While your computer is booting, you may see a message that says, to skip disk checking, press any key. Do not press any key. Let Windows complete the disk check. Once the scan finishes, Windows will boot normally.